Fast food? Overpriced, soggy, and you feel terrible after. Fast plants? Cheap, crunchy, and you get bragging rights. If you plant these veggies in May, you'll be harvesting before your friends even realize it's summer. Let's grow faster than your last Amazon delivery. By the way, ever wish there was a gardening hotline where you could scream, "Why is my lettuce melting?" and get a real answer? Now there is. Our new AI gardening app is ready 24/7. It's smarter than your neighbor and doesn't judge you for killing a cactus once. Links in the description. You're welcome. You can grow it, and you're gonna grow it fast. Let's do this. Chapter 1. Radishes, 30-day crunch bombs. Radishes are like the instant noodles of gardening. Fast, spicy, and addictive. Tips: plant 1 centimeter deep, 5 centimeters apart. Water lightly but often. Radishes love even moisture. Best varieties for speed: Cherry Belle and French breakfast. Sow a little row every week in May. Endless crunchy snacks. And you sound way fancier at parties. Warning: overplant radishes and you'll have enough to barter for a small goat. Chapter 2. Arugula. Spicy leaves for lazy gardeners. If lettuce is your quiet friend, arugula is your spicy one who texts at 2 a.m. Tips: scatter seeds thinly. It loves chaos. Water gently. Too much water eels floppy, sad arugula. Harvest when leaves are 10 to 15 centimeter tall for best flavor. Pro tip: cut it at ground level and let it regrow for a second harvest. It's basically the haircut that pays you, arugula, for when you want your salad to roast you back. Chapter 3. Spinach, the leafy legend. Spinach is like your chill friend. Low maintenance, good for you, and occasionally punches a cartoon villain. Tips: spinach bolts when it's hot. Plant it now while May is still mild. Thin seedlings early. Crowded spinach equals tiny, sad leaves. Water early in the morning to prevent leaf disease. Pro tip: plant in semi-shade if May turns hot. Happy spinach equals happy smoothies. Eat fresh spinach and suddenly everything looks like a gym challenge. Chapter 4. Baby carrots. Tiny, sweet, and speedy. Full-sized carrots are great, if you have the patience of a monk. Baby carrots? Plant now, munch by June. Tips: choose Amsterdam forcing or little finger varieties for speed. Keep soil loose and rock-free. Carrots are vain about their shape. Thin ruthlessly once tops show. Selfish baby carrots need elbow room. Pro tip: water evenly. Dry spells equals split carrots that look like garden horror stories. Plant carrots today. Awkwardly brag at brunch tomorrow. Chapter 5. Green onions, the never-ending onion hack. You know that green onion you forgot in your fridge? Plant it. It's begging for a second chance. Tips: space plants 2 centimeters apart for continuous harvests. Chop the tops off at 10 to 15 centimeters. They'll regrow like magic. Pro tip: keep replanting the roots of store-bought onions. Infinite supply, infinite flex. Soon your fridge will be 99% leftovers and onions. Chapter 6. Peas, the candy of the garden. Garden peas are sweet, fast, and disappear faster than snacks at a kid's birthday party. Tips: plant peas 2 centimeter deep, 5 centimeters apart. Use a tiny stick trellis or old chair legs for them to climb. Water from below. Peas hate wet leaves. Pro tip: snack directly from the vine for maximum happiness. Fresh peas, making adults act like 5-year-olds since forever. Chapter 7. Zucchini. Garden takeover. Incoming. Zucchini plants don't grow, they explode, like fireworks, but edible. Tips: give each plant a ton of space, at least 90 centimeters across. Pick when zucchinis are 15 to 20 centimeters long for best taste. Harvest daily once they start, or they'll turn into garden blimps. Pro tip: plant one. Unless you want to start a zucchini farm accidentally. Zucchini math: 1 plant equals 7,000 zucchinis. Science cannot explain it. Chapter 8. Secret weapon: succession planting. Succession planting. Because why plant once when you can plant like a sneaky genius? Tips: every 2 weeks, plant a small batch of quick veggies. Rotate radishes, lettuce, arugula, peas. Keep your garden always producing. Pro tip: set a reminder on your phone. Plant seeds. Future me will thank you. Succession planting. Because impulse snacking is a real thing. Your garden flex starts now. You just learned how to turn dirt into dinner in record time. Subscribe for more gardening hacks you didn't even know existed, because this summer you're going from seed rookie to veggie boss. Before you sprint to plant your new veggie empire, make sure you've got backup. Our AI gardening app is like having a plant genius in your pocket, minus the weird smells. Instant help, no guessing, zero judgment. Links down below. Trust me. Future. You will thank you. Check out how it works. Get the most out of your growing season. Troubleshoot any problem with our AI gardening buddy. Hello, AI buddy. I have 3 m2 space left in a shady spot. What can I grow there? Don't include herbs.
Although many vegetables and fruits prefer full sun, there are several types of plants that can tolerate and even thrive in shady spots. Leafy greens, spinach, Swiss chard, and kale don't need as much sunlight as some other vegetables.
Get as specific as you need. Hello, AI buddy. It's June in the Netherlands. I'm going on a trip for 5 days. What are some garden watering tips to keep my plants healthy?
If you're going away for a few days, here are some tips to help ensure your garden stays hydrated. 1. Deep watering. A few days before you leave, give your garden a deep watering. This means watering your plants more than you usually would.
Describe your unique situation and let our AI gardening buddy solve your problems. Hello, AI buddy. I don't have a lot of mulch. What is the best way to get mulch without spending a lot of money?
Many towns and cities offer free or cheap mulch made from recycled leaves or wood chips. Contact your local waste facility or public works department to see if they offer this service. Always remember to ask about the source of the mulch to avoid introducing disease or pests into your garden.
Our AI doesn't just provide answers. It helps you see the bigger picture, highlighting key factors you need to consider for smarter decisions. Try it for free on app.stronggecko.com. We all have limited space to grow our crops. We all have just a couple of months in a growing season. Use our AI gardening buddy to get the most out of your garden. You can grow it.